In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the favicon in ClickFunnels 2.0. First, let's quickly clarify what a favicon is. It's that tiny icon that appears on the browser tab next to your page title. Even though it's small, it plays a big role in your branding and helps visitors quickly recognize your site when they have multiple tabs open. So updating it to match your logo or brand colors is definitely worth doing. To get started, log into your ClickFunnels 2.0 account and head to your main dashboard. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a sidebar with different options. Look for the one labeled Workspace Settings and click on it. This is where you can manage a lot of the behind-the-scenes settings for your workspace. Once you're inside the workspace settings, take another look at the menu on the left panel. This time, find and click on Pages. You'll now see a list of all the pages you have created in this workspace. Each page will appear in its own row with some icons and options. On the left side of the row, for the page you want to edit, you'll see a small gear icon. That gear represents the settings for that specific page. Go ahead and click on the gear icon. When you do, a settings drawer will slide open on the right side of your screen. In this drawer, you'll find various options related to your page. Scroll down slowly until you see the section labeled Favicon image. This is where you'll add or change the favicon for that specific page. Next, click on Select Image. A pop-up window will appear, showing you image options that are already available in your ClickFunnels account. If your favicon is already uploaded there, you can simply click on it to select it. If your favicon is saved on your computer and not yet in ClickFunnels, click on Upload Images inside that pop-up. Another window will open, allowing you to browse your computer files. Locate your favicon image file, select it, and then click Open. Wait a moment for the image to finish uploading. Once it appears in the ClickFunnels image library pop-up, click on it to select it as your favicon. After selecting the image, look back to the right-hand drawer and scroll all the way down. At the bottom, you'll see a button labeled Update Page. Click that to save your changes. Your new favicon is now set, and after a short moment, you should see it appear in your browser tab.